Do you wish for the day when financial concerns will no longer exist? The good news is that achieving financial independence may be simpler than you believe. Financial independence may be within reach if you develop habits that help you achieve your objectives. Welcome back to another video where we'll talk about financial independence. What exactly does being financially independent mean? The term financial independence originally referred to the ability to retire at an earlier age. However, its meaning has evolved over the years and can now refer to a number of different things. To be financially independent in the conventional sense of the term means to have sufficient passive income to pay for all of your living expenses. The majority of people who are interested in adopting this way of life do so because they do not want to rely on having a job or being dependent on other people. As a result, they require passive income in order to maintain their standard of living, and the generation of this income stream is one of their top priorities. Here are 6 ways to achieve financial independence. Please subscribe to our channel before starting this video. Let's get started. Number 1. Set realistic and specific goals. Start by defining what financial independence means to you, since its meaning might vary from person to person. Is it a debt-free lifestyle, early retirement, or something else? Be explicit about what you want, how much money you will need to get it, and how long it will take you to save up. The more explicit your objectives, the more likely you are to achieve them. Set financial milestones at regular intervals between now and when you would want to attain your objective, and allow yourself plenty time to complete each step. By dividing your long-term objective into smaller phases, you can monitor your progress and keep on target. A consultation with a financial counselor ensures that your objectives are reasonable and attainable, given your current financial status and desired schedule. Once your strategy is in place, consult with your advisor often to evaluate its effectiveness and make any required revisions. Number 2. Build a budget. If you want to achieve financial independence, you must create a budget that works for you. Budgeting is evaluating your income, deducting your costs, and deciding how to utilize the difference to achieve your objectives. To become financially independent, you may not need a high-paying career, but you must spend less than you make. You must also differentiate between things you desire and things you need. Identify wasteful items you can remove when you review your spending, and invest that money in long-term objectives instead. Consider adhering to the 50/30/20 rule. 50% of your after-tax income should be allocated to necessities, 30% to desires, and 20% to savings and debt reduction. A reasonable rule of thumb for those who follow the FIRE movement is to save at least 50% of their income. A monthly budget is an excellent approach to guarantee that your expenses are paid and savings are on track. This healthy practice might help you reaffirm your objectives and resist the desire to indulge. Number 3. Develop a debt strategy. Be it credit card debt, student loan debt, or a mortgage, it is prudent to prioritize debt reduction on the path to financial freedom. Consider paying off your debts with the highest interest rates first, since they will cost you the most over time. For example, if you have many credit card bills, you might opt to pay them off one at a time. Pay more than the minimum on one card and the minimum on the others until the first amount is paid off, and then move on to the next. Regardless of your debt approach, make it a goal to pay all of your obligations on time in order to establish excellent credit. Your credit score may affect the interest rate you get when purchasing a vehicle or refinancing a mortgage, as well as the premiums you pay for auto insurance and life insurance. Before moving further, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to hear more from us. Number 4. Start investing. Investing is not limited to the likes of Bill Gates and Warren Buffett. Investing may be one of the most successful means of achieving one's financial objectives. By investing intelligently, you may earn interest on both your contributions and cumulative interest, also known as compound interest, so even a tiny initial investment can increase tremendously over time. It is prudent to join in your employer's retirement plan, such as a 401k, and maximize any matching contribution benefit. It is practically free money. If your company matches your $500 donation, it becomes $1,000. You could also be eligible to create a regular IRA, Roth IRA, or SEP IRA. By donating a part of each paycheck in advance to a tax-advantaged retirement account, you create automated savings and take a smart step toward achieving financial independence. Number 5. Create an emergency fund. Life does not always go as planned. Without enough planning, your finances might take a blow if your vehicle breaks down, you encounter unexpected health problems, or you are affected by a natural catastrophe. A separate emergency fund may help you weather the storm and prevent you from incurring credit card debt or pulling from savings and investment accounts to meet unforeseen expenses. Consider saving away 3 to 6 months' worth of living costs in a conveniently accessible, interest-bearing account. Noting that it might be difficult to withdraw funds from tax-advantaged retirement accounts, you should not rely only on these accounts for emergency liquidity. Number 6. Invest in your health. Did you realize that caring for your physical health may improve your financial health? Sadly, the contrary is also true. Poor health maintenance may have a detrimental impact on your financial objectives. If your employer has a limited number of sick days, for instance, you may lose money if you spend all of your paid time off and still miss work. In addition, some health conditions might cause insurance prices to rise. And bad health might compel you to retire prematurely, leaving you with a lesser monthly income than anticipated. Positively, frequent visits to physicians, dentists, and other healthcare professionals, as well as heeding advice about any difficulties that may occur, are an investment in your physical and financial well. Numerous medical conditions may be avoided or controlled via simple lifestyle modifications, such as regular exercise and a nutritious diet. That is all for now. I really think this video will assist a lot. Please subscribe to our channel for more incredible videos and give this one a thumbs up.